Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. As always, thank you for your support. So today's project is influenced by Kelly at Root Pursuit, and it is also influenced by Cara Renee at Be Reborn Art and Healing, and I will link to their videos. So in their videos I observed them do these swing tags, so I wanted to put my own spin on it. So here's what I came up with. So it starts out with a pocket and a journaling card, and then it swings to expose another pocket and another journaling card. If you turn it over, you've got some journaling space, right? Okay. Then on the back, it repeats itself. You have a pocket and a journaling card. Swings, another pocket, journaling card. You turn it over and you've got this hidden, essentially it's a hidden journaling space, right? And then you'll, fold that back down, right? So I also included a hidden pocket, and that is right here in the center. And I have a couple of journaling cards. Okay, so let's take a look very quickly. Let me just slip this back in. So let's take a look very quickly at how I did this. It was very, very simple. You'll need some cardstock that is 6 inches by 5 1/4, and then you will fold that in half. Then you'll need 2 more pieces, and these are the same size. They are 3 inches by 5 1/4. Okay, and what you'll do is you will take the paper that you folded in half, and you'll put one smaller piece on top, and you'll put the other smaller piece on the bottom. Okay, then you'll need to look for the center, and our center we know because that this is 3 inches, so we know that our center will be 1 1/2. You'll mark it, and then I used a small hole punch, and this one is, I think this one is a 1/16 of an inch in diameter. And if you don't have something that is that small, if you're junk journaling, you probably have one of these. So where you've marked your center, you're just gonna poke that through, right? And then you'll need a brat. But before you put the brat on, you'll need to glue this side. So you'll put some glue here, right, on the end there, and you'll put some glue on the end here so that you can form your hidden pocket. And then once you've done that, it's just as simple as putting the brat in, and then you have your swing tag with your pocket in the center. Obviously I didn't glue this one down, right? And then if you want the smaller pockets, those measured at, let me turn it this way. So these were 3 inches by 2 1/4 inches. That's these little pockets here. Okay, folks, so that is it for today. Okay, everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.